I'm gonna do a quick video on and show you how to add emojis to your description on your YouTube, or maybe the title of your YouTube video. But the first thing you want to do is just go to Google and start typing emoji. And click on this one, and you can click this link right here. I'm gonna put it also in my description on my video. But once you click that link, it has all these different emojis. Say for instance, I deal with a lot of welding, so I'm gonna just type something, say fire. Let's see what symbol pops up. You see this little symbol right here, this fire symbol, you click on it. Then you click right here and say copy. And now you go to your YouTube video. And right here, I'm gonna try this one right here, the role of a certified welding inspector. I'm gonna go edit. Once I go to edit, I can either click here in front and hit control right click and hit paste, or you can do a control V. So I'm gonna come down here in my description and hit control V. I'm gonna put 3 of them and 3 in the back. Control V, and I'm gonna hit save. And once I hit save, I'm gonna copy this link right here just to show you what it looked like when other people see it. I'm gonna hit Control C, and I'm gonna go to a new incognito window. And I'm gonna hit Control V here and paste the link to the video. And you're gonna notice that it's gonna have the fire in front of it. So this is what other people see when they look at your video. They'll see this little emoji right here. And you can use any kind of emoji you want to, a smiley face, just copy and paste. That's all you have to do. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And also the links to these emojis are in my description. Thank you.